how to tilt an image in Canva. To show you this, I've prepared this project here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first picture here. And once it's selected, down here you can see the symbol appear. It's two arrows going in a circle, which symbolizes rotation. When I click and drag on it, I still hold the mouse clicked. I can drag it to either side and it will tilt the image in the corresponding direction, like this. Once I'm satisfied with the result, I can just let go of the mouse and it will reposition it. Now, sometimes with some objects, the symbol appears to the side, like in this case on the right, but it's the same every time. You can just click and drag on it in any direction and it will tilt the image accordingly. Works for every kind of object or text in Canva. And that's how you tilt an image in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.